Up your laser game and speed up your CNC work with LaserDock PRO. This simple device saves you time, space, and money, all while protecting your laser. Attach and remove your laser head in seconds each time you use it. Say goodbye to tangled cables. LaserDock PRO connects both power and air in one simple motion so you can focus on your work. With LaserDock PRO, you'll keep your laser clean and improve your workflow efficiency. High-quality, durable aluminum enclosure ensures longevity, offering a solid alternative to plastic designs. With strong magnetic locking, your laser stays secure during operation, but safely detaches if there's an unexpected impact, helping prevent costly damage to your machine and laser. Just add a tether to catch the laser and keep it from falling onto the workspace. When you're not using your laser, just use the cover to keep the LaserDock clean and protected. If you use different PLH3D-Series lasers, swapping between them is effortless. Want to start with Ultra HD engraving using the XT50, then quickly switch to the XT8 for fast cutting? No problem. Just add extra laser side parts, and you're good to go. And you can be sure that future PLH3D-Series lasers will work seamlessly with LaserDock PRO. Have more than one CNC machine? No problem. With additional CNC side parts, you can mount LaserDock PRO on multiple machines. Save time, money, and space by upgrading your CNC with LaserDock PRO, designed to work seamlessly with Opt Lasers. Did you know we have a Facebook group? Join our community to ask questions, share and get advice, and showcase your creations. We'd love to see you there. Explore more at optlasers.com.